This is all that I've grown up around. And I feel like that's why it was so easy to go into racing.
And I mean, at 4 years old, she was grabbing the throttle and the brake. She wanted to drive.
My name is Shelby Williams, and I drive a race car. My dad is Steve Williams. He is a previous world champion. He's really the one who was like, this is something you could do. And so it's really cool to have him as a mentor and a teacher. My dad has been doing this for ages. I've watched him my entire life race. He's like an encyclopedia. The man knows it all.
I see the same high level of intense competitiveness in my daughter that I have.
He's really hands-on with me and does a lot for me to be able to race.
She has the talent and she has the disposition to go as far as she wants to go in racing.
It's easy to give up at this sport. It's knocked me down a lot, it's smacked me around, and you have to just get back up, and that's kind of how life is.
The determination doesn't go away when you've had some bad outings. So, you know, she is back in the car and ready to go race.
It's so fulfilling once you look back. When you were frustrated, that was all part of the process. I want to be like my dad. Like, I want to be one of those respected racers where it's like, you can see how hard they've worked throughout the years to get to where they are.
I am super proud to see how Shelby's become such a great person and a racer. And I will tell you, winning a championship is really special, but watching your daughter win her first national event, priceless.